All right, people. So now all I'm going to do is just take the chicken that I just mixed up with everything and put it on foil paper. Make sure I get everything. Okay, so I'm gonna shift it around. Make it nice and even. You should separate the chicken then, but I'm not gonna do that, man. I'm just gonna shove this in the blender. So here's the grand finale. I get 2 Scotch bonnet pepper, and I put 1 dessa, and I put the other one right there. So when it marinates together, you're gonna get the full taste of the pepper. Alright, DJ Rickey Ricardo outside. Woo! And the oven's been warming up. And my, what is that? My sweet potato is cooking as well. So all we're going to do is just take up the something and put it right on the grill. Perfect. Perfecto. Perfect. All we have to do is just sit down and wait for it to cook. Wait for the smoke to cook. See? Oh. Now here's the final product, baby. Yard man ting this. Look how good it looks. And we're gonna take a nice little sample for the camera. Mmm. 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 That tastes so good. Like Campbell's good, baby.